Hello, New Zion. Don't forget about this week's Black Business Expo, Saturday, July 17th. There will be 20 plus Black-owned businesses on showcase, live music and a DJ, activities for the entire family. There will be health professionals on site ready to provide health screenings. Again, that's the Black Business Expo this Saturday, July 17th from 11 to 5 p.m. at New Zion Missionary Baptist Church. Feel free to visit our website at insidenewzion.org.
All right, guys, so as you can see, this is a wrap for day one of week number 3 for our church renovations. And we have made progress today. As you can see, we have those concrete cement blocks there, and they're going to come all the way across with 2x10s, and then come all the way across with some other center beams to make it real sturdy, so we can have a good stage, and everything will be good there. And they did the same thing here. The concrete cinder blocks down, solid concrete to make the stage solid. And he's going to use those pieces of wood there to come across here, which is 4 feet, come across to give it a good solid structure. So that's a wrap for the end of the day, and we will catch you in the next video. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the end of day number 2 of week 3 of our church renovations. And I just want to take you around right quick and just show you some things that we've got going on. Up here you can see that they're starting their wall prep. The painters are here today, and they're starting the wall prep to make sure that all they're chiseling everything off, so make sure they can go ahead and tape and mud everything for getting the walls ready to be painted. You can see they made it real smooth and nice right here. Everything is smooth and nice now. We even started a little paint down there as well. They're continuing to prep the walls, baseboards, and you can see people going on right there, getting the place fully ready. The paint takes about 21 to 6 days to be done completely. So this is just one step of the process for them to be able to get ready for this, for the next part. Let's go in the sanctuary. I'm going to show you what we got going on in there. So as you can see, they've done the same thing in here. We've actually gotten the walls ready for our new sconce that we got coming in. The electricians were here earlier today, prepping for that as well. So as I said, you can see here, they're already prepping the walls to paint, getting that together. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Here we are. Here's the front of the stage. In front of the stage now. Our main man Hugo over there took care of that for us. As you can see, I'm standing on our extended 4-foot stage. Getting ready for plywood and all that stuff that we want to complete by the end of the week. And look at it. Looks nice. Looks nice. This is the back end of our stage. Sturdy. Back end of our stage. And tomorrow he'll start with the sheetrock and drywall and fill all that in. It's gonna look really nice. tripod is here. Y'all look around at me. I'm standing on our new stage. Plywood's down. Look at it. I can safely stand on it now. Look. Extension is up. Oh yes. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the end of day number 3, week 3 of our church renovations. As you've seen already, we completed our stage today. We have our camera platform outline, sound booth platform outline. We'll keep it going until the next video. I gotta go.
Guys, this junction box here has given us a fit from day one. When it was installed over 15 years ago, it was installed with no updates in mind. We have to do it right to bring things up to code and up to the relevance of what New Zion currently needs.
See, this is some of the things that you all don't know about. In order to get this church right, we got to do it right. You can't halfway do anything. We got to do it right. So just give us some time. This is us doing it right. Doing it right. End of day 4 of week number 3 of our church renovations. As you can see, we have done so much today. Let's take a look right back here. As you can see right now, we've done all of the sheetrock drywalling for today. We got this leveled out. Look at this, it's wide open. The stage is wide open now. As you can tell, the painters are prepping the walls over there for paint, getting all that looking good so we can get ready to paint the next week or so. And so as you can see, man, where you work. All right, guys, so as you can see, they've done all the tailoring money around here. This was a big old hole right here where the water fountains were. They've already got all that taken care of. Just take a look around, it's looking good. You can even see in here in the bathrooms, right here. They've got all the taping and mudding done in here as well. So, you know, we're gonna be ready for some paint in the next week or so. So just keep following us, keep watching us. And until the next video, I gotta go.
What? I would turn around the other way. Right there, not good. Then you want pipes. These pipes on my back? Or yours? Well, I think just so you get farther in there. If that's the problem. The problem is
I'm going to take a brief moment and just to shed some light on a good problem that we encountered here while we were renovating our church. As you can see right here, as you know, that used to be where we turned the lights on at the church. There was a box down there, and you'll see it right there on your screen. There was a box there, and as you can see, it's no longer there. So can I show you where it's at now? Can I show you? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? It's right there. It's right there. Doesn't that make so much more sense? It's right there. No longer do we have to bend down and turn lights on, kick them on with our feet, but it's right there on the wall. So when I come in, all I have to do is flick the light on. Ain't God good? Hey guys, so this is the end of day number 5 of week 3 of our church renovations. As you can see, throughout the whole entire week, we've done so much this week. But one of the major things that we had to do this week was to fix this, as we have already showed you, and all this kind of stuff. So that junction box, that lighting, those switches that were on the ground, guess what? Guess what? I can now walk into the church and flick a light on. I no longer have to bend down. I can flick a light on and it comes on. Y'all see this? Ain't the Lord good? Look at this. Shout out to Dove Electric. They hooked us up. All right. So this is something we're doing. Until next video, I gotta go.
Hey family, that's a wrap for this week's episode number 3 of our third week of Church Renovations. Just want to remind you about on tomorrow, our Black Business Expo, which will take place from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come out and support. Until next week, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it.